Hi, and welcome to the short video in which I'm going to show you how you can use TaxDash's new income tax calculator to help you understand how your rental income is taxed specifically. So firstly, if you can navigate from the main dashboard and you go to Tax Calculator for Personal Planning, add a new calculation. Let's select the 24-25 tax year. Always remember to select your UK or your tax residency and domiciled and non-domiciled if that is applicable to you. So let's just first say if your salary was £40,000, let's just put that in. On the right, it will calculate your tax due, which it will normally take your 40,000 less your tax-free personal allowance. That's your taxable income. So, and if you look at all your taxable income is taxed at 20% in this example. Now let's say we go to property income. And did you receive rental income from renting out a room? So no, we rented out a whole property. So in this example, let's say you've earned £20,000 rental income. You had £5,000 property repairs and agency fees expenses. That gives you £15,000 per rental profit. At the bottom here, you will see we ask here for what your finance cost was on your mortgage. So let's say you had £10,000 finance costs on your mortgage. Click Save. Now, interestingly, on the right here, you will see you still got your £40,000 salary income, but now it's added the £15,000, which was your £20,000 rental income, less £5,000 expenses, but it did not deduct your finance cost incurred at all here. So actually, it takes that salary plus your profit from the property less the personal allowance gives that's your new taxable income. And if you look at your tax calculation, it will show you 37,700 of your income was taxed at 20%, but the small portion of your income is now taxed at 40%. Of the way that calculation works. And if you go to total tax due and other allowances, you'll see here you received a deduction of £2,000. And how it's calculating that £2,000 is it's taking your £10,000 interest incurred times 20%. You get 20% relief on that finance cost. And that's then how it calculates your taxable amount due. So that's the difference between that tax due and the final tax amount that you will need to pay. You can now further go and explore with this. The higher your salary is, the more of your income will be pushed into the higher tax bracket. So you can see here how much of your income is now taxed at 40%, but still you'll only receive £2,000 interest relief on that finance cost incurred. It is important to note there's further limits to what interest relief you can claim. But this is why it's so important that you go and put in all your personal income details into this calculator on the left, and then it will take all those things into consideration to calculate your tax on the right-hand side. If you need help understanding this, then you can always just go to Service at the top and select Book a Call and select one of our accountants to book a call so that they can have a look at your calculation and talk you through it and help you understand it. I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for listening.